Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of to-do lists, scattered emails, and overflowing communication channels? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and on top of projects can feel like a never-ending battle. That's where project management tools come in. They promise to streamline workflows, boost collaboration, and finally bring order to the chaos. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. One name that keeps popping up is ClickUp. It boasts itself as the one app to replace them all, offering a comprehensive suite of features for tasks, lists, docs, chats, and more. But before you jump in and sign up, there's a crucial question to answer. How much does ClickUp cost per member? Let's dive deep into ClickUp's pricing structure and explore the different plans they offer. We'll break down the features included in each tier, so you can decide which one best fits your needs and budget. ClickUp's free forever plan. A glimpse into the ClickUp universe. The good news? ClickUp offers a free forever plan. This means you can create an account, explore the platform, and get a taste of what ClickUp can do without spending a dime. It's a fantastic way to test the waters and see if ClickUp aligns with your workflow. However, the free plan comes with limitations. You're restricted to 100 megabytes of storage, limited custom fields, and only up to 100 members per workspace. Collaboration features are also somewhat restricted, so it might not be ideal for large teams working on complex projects. ClickUp's paid plans. Unlocking the full potential. If you find the free plan too restrictive, ClickUp offers several paid plans that unlock a wider range of features and cater to different team sizes. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. Unlimited plan, $5 per member. Per month, this plan eliminates the storage limitations and bumps up the custom fields and integrations. It also allows for unlimited members, making it suitable for growing teams. Collaboration features are enhanced, with guest access and advanced reporting capabilities. Business plan, $19 per member. Per month, this plan is geared towards larger teams and organizations. It builds upon the unlimited plan by offering advanced automation, time tracking, workload management, and mind maps. You also get priority support, which can be a lifesaver when dealing with complex projects. Enterprise plan, custom pricing. This plan is designed for large enterprises with specific needs. It offers all the features of the business plan, along with additional security features, increased customization options, and dedicated account management. Choosing the right ClickUp plan. It's all about your needs. Now, the million-dollar question, which ClickUp plan is right for you? The answer depends on several factors. Team size. If you're a solopreneur or a small team, the free plan might suffice. But as your team grows, consider upgrading to an unlimited or business plan to accommodate the increased collaboration needs. Project complexity. Are you managing simple tasks or complex workflows with dependencies? If it's the latter, you'll likely benefit from the automation and workload management features of the business plan. Budget. ClickUp's paid plans offer a lot of value, but they do come with a price tag. Be realistic about your budget and choose a plan that aligns with your financial constraints. Beyond the price tag, ClickUp's value proposition. While price is an important consideration, it shouldn't be the sole factor. ClickUp offers several advantages that go beyond just the cost. Versatility. ClickUp is incredibly versatile. It can be used for simple task management, complex project workflows, and even as a knowledge base for your team. Customization. You can customize ClickUp to fit your specific needs. From creating custom views to automating tasks, the platform offers a high degree of flexibility. Collaboration. ClickUp fosters seamless collaboration with features like real-time chat, document sharing, and task assignments. Integration. ClickUp integrates with a wide range of popular tools and services, streamlining your workflow further. ClickUp, a powerful option, but not for everyone. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool with a lot to offer. However, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Here are some things to consider. Learning curve. ClickUp has a wide range of features, which can be overwhelming for some users. There's a bit of a learning curve involved in getting the most out of the platform.